You are at a hotel. The receptionist speaks English. The waiter speaks English. Everyone speaks English. Are you ready? Let's go. Good afternoon. Welcome to Grand Plaza Hotel. How can I help you? Good afternoon. I have a reservation. My name is Maya. Let me check that for you. Yes, I can see your booking. You have a double room for 3 nights. Is that correct? Yes, that is correct. Could I have a room with a nice view, please? Of course. I will give you a room on the 5th floor with a beautiful city view. Here's your card to serve from 7 to 10 in the morning. Thank you. I am sorry, but I can only see a single room in your booking, not a double room. Oh, that must be a mistake. I booked a double room online last week. I have the confirmation email on my phone. Of course. Let me see that. You are right. I apologize for the confusion. We do have a double room available. I will upgrade you right away. Again, I am very sorry for the inconvenience. As an apology, breakfast tomorrow will be complimentary for you. That is very kind of you. Thank you. You are most welcome. Enjoy your stay. Good evening, room service. How can I help you? Hi, I'd like to order some dinner, please.
Of course. What would you like?
I would like the grilled chicken with vegetables, please, and a bottle of still water.
Certainly. Could I take your room number, please?
Yes, I am in room 514.
Perfect. Your order will be with you in approximately 30 minutes.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, I ordered the grilled chicken, but this looks like pasta.
Oh, I am so sorry about that. Let me check your order. You are absolutely right. I sincerely apologize.
That is okay. Could you please bring the correct order?
Of course. I will bring your grilled chicken immediately, and it will be completely free of charge as an apology.
That is very generous. Thank you.
Again, I am truly sorry for the mistake. Is there anything else I can bring you in the meantime?
A glass of orange juice would be lovely, thank you.
Absolutely. I will be back with everything very shortly. Enjoy your evening.
Good morning. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I would like some information about city tours, please.
Of course. We have a wonderful half-day city tour that leaves every morning at 9 o'clock. It covers all the main attractions, including the Old Town, the museum, and the harbor.
That sounds perfect. How much does it cost?
It is $45 per person, and it includes lunch. Would you like me to book a place for you? Please leave the lobby at 8:45.
Yes, please. For tomorrow morning, if possible.
Absolutely. I will arrange that right away. Please be in the lobby at 8:45.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Excuse me, I have a problem. I think I left my handbag in the hotel restaurant yesterday evening. It is a small brown leather bag.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that. Let me contact our lost and found department right away.
Good news. We do have a small brown leather bag in our lost and found. Could you describe what is inside so we can confirm it is yours?
Yes, there is a blue purse, my room key card, and a small notebook.
That matches exactly. I will have it sent to your room immediately.
Oh, that is such a relief.
Thank you so much.
You have been incredibly helpful.
Good morning. Will you be having breakfast with us today?
Yes, please. I am a guest at the hotel. My room number is 514.
Perfect. Please help yourself to the buffet. We also have a hot breakfast menu if you would prefer to order.
I think I will have a little of both. Could I order some scrambled eggs, please?
Of course. How would you like them? With toast or with bread?
With toast, please. And a coffee if possible. Excuse me. I am allergic to nuts. Could you tell me which dishes on the buffet contain nuts?
Of course, that is very important. Please avoid the granola, the chocolate pastries, and the mixed salad as they all contain nuts.
Thank you for telling me. What about the fruit salad?
The fruit salad is completely nut-free, and I can also prepare a special nut-free breakfast plate for you if you would like.
Yes, please. That would be wonderful.
Not at all. Your safety is our priority. I will bring your special plate right away along with your scrambled eggs and coffee.
Thank you very much. Good morning. Are you checking out today? Yes, I am. My name is Maya, room 514. Of course. I hope you enjoyed your stay with us. Here is your final bill. Your total comes to $345, including all services. Thank you. Could I pay by credit card, please? Absolutely. Please insert your card here. There we go. Of course. Here is your receipt. Thank you so much for staying with us. Excuse me, I think there may be a mistake on my bill. I did not order anything from the minibar, but I can see a charge here for $20. I am very sorry about that. Let me check right away. You are absolutely right. I apologize. That charge has been added by mistake. I will remove it immediately. Your new total is $325. Thank you for fixing that so quickly. Of course. Again, I sincerely apologize for the error. We hope to see you again at Grand Plaza Hotel. I had a wonderful stay. I will definitely come back. You did it! You checked in, ordered room service, explored the city, had breakfast, and checked out, all in English. Next time you stay at a hotel, you will be ready for everything. See you in the next video. Bye!